Hello, children. Yes, all are fine. Yes, and the classes are going on smoothly. The third term portions, and we are now this third term. We are going through the last two classes. We gone through the another one continent, which is that one. Yes, Africa. Yes, now we have to move to other continent, which is a very beautiful continent. Many of them are interested to go to that continent. Our relatives are there in that continent, and we can see very beautiful silent, and also many of them are any of our relative will be there in that continent, which is that one. That is, we have to study about the Australia. Okay, it is a continent and also a country. That is the speciality of Australia. So we have study about the Australia. So we got very much interested to know about the Australia. Okay, but if you are studying about, we are in this grade, we will study only the location and the physical features of some of the continent. We already completed Europe, Africa, and in that we can study. It is the resources and the tourist places and the case study that is also there in the textbook. We can read that one to know about the tourist places of that Europe, Africa, and also you have to read it and to know about more about this continent. And in Australia also we are dealing with only location and geographical features and physical features of the land only we are studying, and rest of the things we can read that lesson to know more about Australia. So in this class we can study about the location and geographical features. We can study not the physical features. We will study in the next class. Small portion only I am taking because the things are there in that you have to study, so that you thorough with that, and we can so easy you can study that continent. So different continent can be keep in mind which is in that continent and which the differences in this continent, like that you have to study. So today we can start with a new continent, that is Australia. We can go to Australia. Okay, lesson 9, Australia. This is the position of Australia in the world map. You can see that Australia, the different continents we can see. This is red one, it is Australia. Then Australia is the smallest continent compared to all other continents, which is the smallest one, Australia. It has, we can see in Australia, the variety of landscapes, climate and wildlife. It is no less extraordinary than any other continent. We can see variety of landscape we can see in Australia. Climate and wildlife also we can good in Australia. So we can see different types of animals and wildlife we can see, and climate also we can feel in Australia, even though it is a small continent. It has forests, snow-capped mountains, vast deserts, sweeping plains covered with the pastures, and beautiful cities also we can see in Australia. That is the varieties of this continent. The features are: the continent has forests, snow-capped mountains, vast desert, sweeping plains covered with the pastures, and beautiful cities we can see in Australia. Okay, even though it is a small continent, their landscapes, climate and wildlife is amazing, and varieties are there, and also this continent covered with the forest, snow-capped mountains, vast desert, sweeping plains covered with the pastures, and beautiful cities we can see in this continent. And Australia is also noted for some strange animals. Strange animals we can see in, that is a speciality in Australia only. That is strange animals like kangaroos, koalas and platypus. That is found anywhere other places we cannot see. Only in Australia we can see this kangaroos, koalas and platypus. Okay, that is the smallest continent is Australia, and the beautiful places are there in Australia, and strange animals like kangaroos, koalas and platypus we can see in Australia. This is the picture of kangaroo, then koalas and platypus. Okay, and the political features at how the country is divided and how many states and under the control of which are the places under the control of central government, that we can study now. Australia is the only continent in the world have a single country. That is the speciality of Australia. Compared to other continents, many countries are there in that continent. But in Australia, it is a continent, not only a continent, it is also a single country. So that is a speciality of Australia. It is the only continent in the world have a single country. And the sixth largest country in the world. According to size, it is the sixth largest country in the world. And it is about twice the size of India. And according to the size, it is the double size of India, this Australia. And Australia is divided into 6 states. That is, we studied that it is a continent plus country, and which is at Australia. And according to the position of the country, 6th position. And Australia is according to size, according to our country India, double size it is Australia. And Australia is divided into 6 states. Which are the 6 states? New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania, and Western Australia. These are the 6 states in Australia. 6 states. First one, it is New South Wales. In this map we can see this is one state, New South Wales. The next one, Victoria. Yes, this is Victoria. And South Australia. This is South Australia. Then Queensland. Queensland. Yes. And Tasmania. Tasmania. Yes, here Tasmania. And Western Australia. Western Australia. So these are the 6 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. These are the 6 states in Australia. And there are also 2 internal territories governed by central government. Territories are, in India we have states and territories are the territories under the control of central government. The same way here it is 6 states and 2 territories under central government. Which are they? Then 2 territories are which are governed by central. There are large but thinly populated Northern Territory. Northern Territory. Northern thinly populated, that is people are less in this area, Northern Territory. And next one it is, and the Australian Capital Territory, which include Canberra is the capital of Australian Territory. That is the next territory, it is, yes, Australian Capital Territory. That is a capital site, that is also under the control of the central government. And the capital of Australia is Canberra. Okay, so clear about these states and territories. States, how many states are there? 6 states are there. And how many territories are there? 2 territories. Which are the states? Western Australia, South Australia, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania. These are the 6 states. And which are the territories under central government? Northern Territory and Australian Capital Territory. And what is the capital of Australia? Canberra. I think this much clear. Okay. Then what are the specialities of the Australia? Geographical features, where it is lies in the earth, that we can study next. That is, Australia lies in the southern and eastern hemispheres. Australia lies in the southern and eastern hemisphere. That is, here it is. This is equator. So, not equator. This is passing the Capricorn. And Australia lies in the southern and eastern hemisphere. So, this Australia is in the eastern hemisphere. That is, this earth divided into equal parts called equator and northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And Australia lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay. And also eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Then according to the latitude way, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So that is actually, and this southern side and also east side of that world map we can see Australia. And its climate is opposite to those of northern hemisphere. So it is opposite to northern hemisphere. Our country is in, especially India, Asian continent, that is in the northern hemisphere. So this opposite climate in Australia, southern hemisphere. For example, now we have winter in India and Asian side, it is winter. So what will be the opposite of Australia? Opposite of Australia, now it is summertime. Okay, that is the difference it is. Now it is, that is, climate is opposite to those of northern hemisphere. When we have winter, we will have summer. The Tropic of Capricorn passing through the middle of Australia. That is Tropic of Capricorn. This is the latitude. Lines of one of the important lines of latitude is Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn is in southern hemisphere. That is the middle of the Australia. It is passing through this Tropic of Capricorn. These are about the geographical features. So which latitude passing through Australia? Tropic of Capricorn. And which is which hemisphere? Hemispheres Australia lies? Southern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Here it is this path, and the climate, it is opposite of the northern hemisphere. Clear? Yes. Next, about the islands. So several islands we can see in Australia. Several islands are situated to the southeast of Australia. Southeast side. The southeast side we can see many islands we can see in Australia. Tasmania, that is an island separated from mainland by Bass Strait. Tasmania. It's Tasmania. Tasmania. Yes, that is this is a mainland. They are separated from mainland. This island, it is by Bass Strait. Because of this Bass Strait, it is separated from the mainland, Tasmania. Then New Guinea is separated from the mainland by Torres Strait. New Guinea. New Guinea, yes, Papua and New Guinea. It is separated by Torres Strait. From the mainland, it is separated by Torres Strait. New Guinea, it is an island and it is separated from Australia by a Torres Strait. This is all in Australia, but it is islands are there. In India, we have islands. Okay, we have islands are the Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman Nicobar Islands, but that is in India. It's the same way in Australia. These islands are in Australia, but it is because of strait are dividing these two from the mainland. And Tasmania, which strait it is dividing from the mainland, Tasmania and mainland, that is Bass Strait. And New Guinea and mainland, that is which strait? Torres Strait. Clear? Okay. And the islands of New Zealand are the largest island, and the island of that is New Zealand, yes, which is a biggest island, that is Australia, that is New Zealand, that is the biggest island, the largest island, that is islands of New Zealand. And Australia, New Zealand, in Australia, Auckland, Papua and New Guinea, and the groups of islands in the South Pacific Oceans are called Oceania. Oceania, that is these islands of this Pacific or South Pacific Ocean. Okay, this Pacific Ocean, which are the places New Guinea and New Zealand and Australian, that is small islands near to that, these near to the South Pacific Ocean, that is together it is known as Oceania. That is Oceania, New Zealand, Guinea and Australia's other islands are together. It is, and the islands are in the South Pacific Ocean are called Oceania. So Australia, New Zealand, Papua and New Guinea and the groups of islands in South Pacific Ocean are called Oceania. And Australia, New Zealand and the nearby Pacific Islands are together is also known as Australasia. That is also known as Australasia. So this side, south side, it is that Pacific Ocean. So these islands and groups of islands near to the Pacific Ocean are together, it is known as Oceania. And New Zealand, Australia, and nearby places are also called Australasia. These are about the islands of Australia. Then what is clear that from the map we can understood that one several islands are there in the which side of the Australia? Southeast side. And Tasmania is separated from Australia by Bass Strait, and New Guinea separated from the mainland by Torres Strait. And the islands of New Zealand, which is the largest island, that is islands of New Zealand. And what is Oceania? Australia, New Zealand, Papua and New Guinea, and the groups of islands in South Pacific Oceans are called Oceania. And Australia, New Zealand and nearby Pacific islands are together called Australasia. So these are about the islands of Australia. I think this much clear. So first we have to study about the Australia, what the speciality was together. That is a speciality, that is the landforms are different landforms we can see in. It's a small continent and it is covered by forest. And then revise this thing what we studied today, that is forest, snow-capped mountains, vast deserts, sweeping plains and covered with pastures and beautiful cities we can see in Australia. That is the landform. And we can see the strange animals like kangaroos, koalas and platypus we can see there. And the political features we can see, that is it is according to the it is the continent and also a single country, that is Australia. And according to the position, which position? Sixth largest position in the world. Say the answer when I am asking question. And according to the size of India, the twice the size of India. And which are the Australia divided into 6 states, which are the states of Australia: Western Australia, South Australia, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. And Australia, 2 internal territories are governed by central government, that is Northern Territory and Australian Capital Territory. That is here it is Northern Territory and Australian Capital Territory, and capital it is Canberra. And the geographical features, where it is Australia lies in the southern and eastern hemisphere. Then the climate is opposite to those of northern hemisphere, opposite of the northern hemisphere, and it is lies, and which is the latitude passing through that Tropic of Capricorn, passing through the middle of Australia. Tropic of Capricorn passing through this, and it is lies in the southern hemisphere, and also Australia it is in the eastern hemisphere. East and southern hemisphere Australia lies, and it is a climate is opposite of the northern hemisphere, and it is passing through which latitude? Tropic of Capricorn. Clear. And about the islands, what we studied, islands, that is several islands we can see in Australia. Which side? Southeast side. Southeast side which ocean? Pacific Ocean. And which Tasmania separated from the mainland by Bass Strait. New Guinea is separated from mainland by Torres Strait. The islands of New Zealand is the largest island, and Australia, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea and the groups of islands in the South Pacific Ocean are called Oceania, and Australia, New Zealand and the nearby Pacific islands are together called Australasia. And these are the islands. So more islands we can see in Australia. Okay. And you have tried to, this is a small portion only I am taking, because small portion I am taking to study that one for the next class. Okay, thorough with that. So that is why easy for you to study. That is why I am taking the small portion only, and the physical features we can go through the next class. And write short notes on the political division of Australia. Political division means that 6 states and also the territories of Australia and islands of Australia, and many islands are there in Australia, and also that islands are groups also we have to be, and which is the islands that separate, that also we have to write into that. Okay, thank you children. Study and write the short notes today itself. Okay, thank you.